So, kami ang Team Pilipinas Touch Football. We are representing the Philippines in the Touch World Cup 2024 from July 15 to 21 at Nottingham, England. So, inaasahan po natin ang lahat ng suporta, pagtulong, ng lahat ng pwede mag-provide ng any form of support to us. As mentioned by Coach Nathan, I think all of us, if not most of us, are either students or have full-time jobs. So it really takes a lot from all of us to be able to train hard going into the World Cup. Pati yung Touch Association Philippines board natin, pati yung coaches natin, they're all operating on a volunteer level. So lahat talaga ng klase ng tulong tatanggapin natin yan. And we hope na yung media also na present here today ay tuloy-tuloy yung pag-cover doon sa activities natin going into the World Cup in July. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumulong sa press conference natin today. And on behalf of Touch Association Pilipinas, we've also handed out press statements, so we can head over to the Facebook page or Instagram page of the Touch Association Pilipinas, or you can also send us an email via touchfootballph@gmail.com if you have any questions or concerns or we need any karagdagang information or clarifications. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
More power sa ating Team Philippines sa Touch World Cup 2024. Muli po natin ang ating Touch Rugby Team. Kailangan po ng haplos ng pagmamahal ng ating mga prospective sponsors. Before we wrap this up, we would like to thank again from the Philippine Sports Writers Association. Salamat po muli sa ating mga sponsors, San Miguel Corporation, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Smart PLDT, Milo Philippines, and Arena Plus, the 24/7 sports hub in the country. Until next time here on PSC Sports Forum, God bless everyone.